Have you ever wondered what impact artificial intelligence could have on environmental sustainability? A fascinating question, isn't it? As our planet grapples with the challenges of climate change, AI emerges as a promising ally in this fight. This sophisticated technology has the potential to revolutionize our approach to environmental sustainability. Imagine a world where AI systems monitor pollution levels in real time, alerting us to areas of concern. Think about how these smart systems could optimize resource management, ensuring we make the most of what Mother Earth has to offer without depleting her resources. These are not mere fantasies, but tangible realities that are unfolding as we speak. AI is already being employed in numerous ways to promote sustainability and combat climate change. It's an exciting frontier, where technology and environment intersect in the most incredible ways. In our rapidly changing world, it's crucial to understand how AI can be a game-changer in environmental sustainability. Take a moment to consider the city of Beijing, which has utilized AI to tackle its notorious air pollution problem. To combat this pressing issue, IBM's Green Horizon project was introduced. This initiative uses the power of artificial intelligence to predict pollution patterns and suggest actionable mitigation strategies. Green Horizon's AI system employs machine learning algorithms to analyze and learn from a vast array of data sources. This includes meteorological data, traffic patterns, industrial activity, and even social media posts about air quality. By understanding this information, the AI can predict pollution levels up to 72 hours in advance with a precision rate of up to 80%. The results? Impressive. The system has helped the city reduce its pollution levels significantly. It has guided authorities to take timely measures like temporarily shutting down factories or restricting vehicular movements during peak pollution periods. Thanks to AI, Beijing residents now breathe cleaner air, proving that this technology can indeed make a significant difference. Moving